It is Tuesday, June 4th, 2019, 1:20 p.m., 16 degrees outside. It feels like 15. It's relatively nice outside. It's cloudy and looks like it's going to rain, but it's not that bad outside. Um, so a few things. One of the things my mom yesterday reminded me or asked me if I had transferred ownership of my car to my name yet, which I totally forgot about. And I told her I did because if I said I didn't, she would just nag me until like I wanted to shoot myself in the face. So I'm doing that, which is such an annoying process because basically when I got my car, Dad had to sign off on it because they wouldn't let me take it or take a loan out on it or whatever unless someone co-signed on it. So he co-signed, and so because of that, he and I share ownership of both my license plate and my vehicle. So I want to have that just be me. So in order to do that, it's kind of a tedious and annoying process, and quite honestly, unnecessary process considering I already have ownership. I'm part owner of the whole thing. I just want him off of it, but I have to do all of this stuff. So basically, a few things I have to do, three of which are kind of annoying. One not really. So the first thing I have to do, I'm doing it tomorrow at 1:30. I have to get a security inspection on my car to make sure it is secure or whatever, or safety inspection rather. Next thing I would do is I fill out like a plate ownership transfer, which isn't that difficult. It's just, my information. I hereby swear, I know that I want this or whatever. My dad has to sign, whatever. Not that bad. The third thing, which is super annoying, is the sworn statement for a family gift of a used vehicle. This isn't a gift. It's not a. It's not a. I don't know. I bought this car. It's not a gift. I'm a half owner, but I still have to do this. And basically, the reason this is annoying is because you have to fill all this crap out, but at the end, you need a commissioner to be a witness to this. So you have to have someone watch you sign this, so a third party watch you sign this. And it says it can be a lawyer, a notary public, justice of the peace, local municipal town clerk, deputy clerk, treasurer, head of whatever, all this crap. And I'm like, really? This is so stupid. So basically, I could pay for that, or apparently if I go to the DMV and I call her, like, do I really need to do this? Like, this isn't, I'm already part owner. Do I really need to do this? Like, yeah, you still have to do this. But she told me one of the locations has a commissioner there, like, that works there and is there all day, so I can go there. So hopefully, I'm nervous that they don't have a phone number. That's the stupid thing too. Is like what the phone number for each DMV is just the data center or the set, like the whatever, the main place. It's like a customer service line. It doesn't actually, I can't call that place specifically like, yo, is there someone here? So I could drive there, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna do that hopefully sometime this week. It's just really annoying. So the safety inspection, I'm guessing, is going to cost $30 to $50, and then I think it's $32 to transfer ownership. But hopefully that'll get done this week. Have that over with, and just have it in my name. This commissioner crap is super damn annoying. Like, honestly, without that, it would just be such an easy and smooth transition. But no, it can't be easy. So that's annoying. I went out today to return a pair of jeans that I bought a couple weeks ago. They were just too light. I don't know why I bought them. They just look bad. I bought a darker pair of blue jeans. Still looking for ripped blue jeans. They had ripped blue jeans, but they just didn't look that good on me, so didn't buy them. After that, I went down to the tattoo place where I got my happies or my smiley face, and I booked my next tattoo for June 21st at 3 p.m. So I can't do math in 18. Wow, no, hold on. This is bad. In 17 days. Why couldn't I remember that? In 17 days. No, it's on the 21st. It's 20th or 21st? It's on the 21st. Yeah, so in 17 days, just over 2 weeks, getting the heart tattoo. Going to be a red heart. I'm going to put it right here. And yeah. So put down a $50 deposit. Same place I went last time. I know it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, but whatever. I've been there before. I trust them. They're clean, so whatever. That's where I'm going. They said they could have booked me in maybe Friday, but they weren't sure if it was enough time. But I was like, it's not that big of a deal. Like, all right, how about Tuesday? And I said, no, I wasn't on Tuesday, so I can't come Tuesday. So Friday it is. Yeah, I honestly just randomly today, I was like, I think it's time. Let's just do this. I was thinking about it kind of last couple weeks, but today I didn't go to bed thinking, all right, when I wake up tomorrow, I'll look for a tattoo place. I just woke up today and I was like, I'm getting that tattoo. So since I was already out, I went down there and got a quote, and they said between 60 and 80, so whatever, it's the same price as my smiley face. So that'll be in a couple weeks. That'll be cool. And then yeah, the other thing I want to talk about is certification exams. I'm so freaking annoyed right now because last week on Tuesday or Wednesday, I submitted 2 certification exam request forms. One was for 740, one was for 741. My preferred days were Monday and Tuesday of this week for 7:40, and 7:41 my preferred days were Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Because I finished my project at school. So I finished it yesterday, handed it in, and I'm done. I'm off for the next week. I knew that was going to happen. And I booked them for this week because I didn't want to miss class. And now it's Tuesday. I have not received an email for anything yet, confirming anything. On the page, it says all requests will be booked or whatever within 48 hours. Wrong. Yesterday, before I left school, I went to Arlene. I was like, hey, so I gave you that form. Has it been submitted yet? She's like, well, I was off Thursday. And I didn't think of this till later. But like, why does that matter? I gave it to you Tuesday or Wednesday. That has nothing to do with you being off Thursday. Like, what is the point of having this shit will be done in 48 hours if you don't do it in 48 hours? I've written 4 exams. None of them have ever been finalized within 48 hours. 2 of them, I believe, they were booked the day, you get 2 days. Preferred day 1, preferred day 2. 2 of those 4 exams, I believe, were, like, I got the email saying, hey, this is your day, the first preferred day. One of those exams wasn't even on a preferred day. It was on the next day. I had Monday and Tuesday, gave me Wednesday. What is this? What is this? I specifically chose this week because I didn't want to miss class. Now, my guess is I might write one exam this week, maybe. If not, they're going to push it in next week. And if I get them pushed in the next week, I'm missing 3 days of school. Wonderland and 2 exams. Well, not missing. I guess with with Wonderland, I'm missing the whole day. But with the exam, I'm not missing the whole day. I'm mostly missing the review. But like, I want to be there. Maybe I'm missing more. Like, I don't want to miss class. And now I'm missing potentially up to 3 days next week because they're incompetent and can't look at a schedule and be like, yes, here is your day. So I'm going to call actually shortly and ask who I can speak to lodge a complaint because this is actually ridiculous and so frustrating. And quite honestly, I find it disrespectful to my time. Like, what is the point of that? So, yeah. So I'm actually going to do that now. And then chill for the rest of the day. So, deuces.